How can I help?
All right. So I want to report someone who moved to Northern Ireland, I believe last year, January, and she was living in the Netherlands. I have known her for over 20 years, and she's a human trafficker. Recently, she has done it again by coming online to brag about it. So now I have video evidence of her really talking about who she is and what she does, and I just really feel like something should be done about it. And I feel like, because a lot of people are probably scared to step forward because she threatened them that, oh, I have your people.
What's the name of the lady that, you know, in question? Do you have her name there?
Yes, of course, I know a lot about her. Her name is Monica Ajala.
Monica, can you confirm the spelling of her surname?
Okay, her surname is Ajala. That is the surname of the partner she's staying with now, but her maiden name is Edokpolo. So Edokpolo.
And do you have an address or anything for Monica?
Yes. 25 Edkin Street.
Do you have any dealings with this lady previously, or do you know, or you just have been made aware of what she?
Well, yes, I am aware of what she does or what she used to do, but I don't have business dealings with her because I'm not in that.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Monica and Blessing Unjo. I dey see wetin dey happen ever since. Una know say what they say, every day for the thief, one day for the hoe. Now Monica don't go jam somebody when not supposed to jam. As I dey talk to una, so they go soon arrest Monica now. Blessing Unjo don't go report her for police. This will not be saying I don't whether they make matter. She they do am, they show us the evidence. As I dey talk to una, so Monica is about to put herself now for problem. Now we be not know say Monica fair do this human trafficking. Now Blessing Unjo don't go call police for UK now. Now they look for Monica. So he's saying go they give us different updates. I go put the video make una see. I may not be like saying I made it talk am. He's saying go deal with Monica. Next time, if Monica see person they call Blessing Unjo, he go run. He's saying go so deal with him, my people. So not be smart to you. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. If they use one make example for the social media, me go really dey happy because the way they say they want to bring people down for this social media, they talk with it their eye not reach. The thing like they pay me. If Blessing Unjo really use one make example, the rest go learn really. The rest go really learn. Oh, they go learn. Now people they say na tell me I tell you. Now in Blessing Unjo they go this kind of extent. Una forget say na tell me I tell you. Now in they take go arrest Mama Rita. Una forget. Tell me I tell you. Now they take go arrest her. Tell me I tell you. Now they take carry Papa Lovelin come out of this social media. Tell me I tell you. Be like so now they forget. So my people, I put the video where Blessing Unjo they talk. Make una listing from the starting to the ending. They will now go see leave on our own comments for the comment section. They will go from there.
For I think about 7 minutes, and they were quite interested in this case. I gave them all her information.
Please have a switchboard. How can I help?
Yeah, good evening. You're speaking with Blessing. I live in the Netherlands, but I'm reporting a crime about someone who lives in Belfast.
Okay, hold on. I'll get you through.
All right.
Thank you for calling the Police Service of Northern Ireland. Your call may be recorded. How can I help?
All right. So I want to report someone who moved to Northern Ireland, I believe last year, January, and she was living in the Netherlands. I have known her for over 20 years, and she's a human trafficker. Recently, she has done it again by coming online to brag about it. So now I have video evidence of her really talking about who she is and what she does, and I just really feel like something should be done about it. And I feel like, because a lot of people are probably scared to step forward because she threatened them that, oh, I have your people.
What's the name of the lady that, you know, in question? Do you have her name there?
Yes, of course, I know a lot about her. Her name is Monica Ajala.
Monica, can you confirm the spelling of her surname?
Okay, her surname is Ajala. That is the surname of the partner she's staying with now, but her maiden name is Edokpolo. So Edokpolo.
And do you have an address or anything
Yes.
for Monica?
Yes. 25 Edkin Street.
Do you have any dealings with this lady previously, or do you know, are you just have been made aware of what she's...
Well, yes, I am aware of what she does or what she used to do, but I don't have business dealings with her because I'm not in that. I don't do that, but I know she used to do it. She's, well, she worked as a prostitute here in the Netherlands, that I'm 100% sure of. And she has also come online to say that, or to confirm herself. I have video of that from her page. And then they told me to contact the police here in the Netherlands. They said, well, you live in the Netherlands and the criminal you're reporting resides in the UK, so we suggest you contact the police over there and they will, you know, contact us if there is need, if required.
Blessing, what you'll need to do there, okay, because you are currently in the Netherlands,
yes,
and you viewed this video whilst being in the Netherlands, you'll need to speak with your local police force. So if you can provide that video and all the information that you have to your local police force, they will then in turn contact yourself if required.
Okay, so okay, yes, I do, I totally understand that. Okay, so when I contact the police force here in the Netherlands, they are going to contact you and do what is necessary. And I was like, that's fine. It's even easier for me. I mean, if I step on my bike for 5 minutes and I'm just going to be right there at the police station. So once they said that, the next day, was it the next day I went to the police station? I can't remember. Anyways, I went to the police station and I made a report.
Heeft u iets van legitimatie willen? Als u zegt nee, dat wil ik niet. Ik wil sowieso aangifte doen, want aangifte is een verzoek om tot strafvervolging over te gaan.
Ja, ik wil echt meer dan alleen stop. Okay, let me quickly translate what we discussed here. The police officer told me that they can actually send Monica an official order to stop whatever she's doing and all the things that she's saying without me making an official report. And I insisted that I wanted us to do more than just ask her to stop. I made it very clear that I wanted to file an official report. And the officer told me that if you file an official report, that is a request to press charges. And I was like, I'm up for it. Thing is that I don't want stories. I don't want come today, go tomorrow. I don't want anyone pleading with her, oh stop, and then what happens? And then she stops with me and she moves on to the next victim. I said I want this thing to end for good. I don't want any other person to go through it. I just want to change the game when it comes to the way Atuari does her saga. And of course you guys already know when I say Atuari I mean Monica and Bruce. So I just basically want to press charges.
En u heeft alle gegevens van die persoon, naam, voornaam, achternaam, geboortedatum en adres?
Nee, geboortedatum niet. Adres wel, voornaam, achternaam. Maar geboortedatum niet. Okay, another quick translation for my non-Dutch speaking viewers. So she asked me if I have her details, first name, last name, address, date of birth. So I told the officer that I do not have her date of birth, but I do have her first name, last name and home address.
U gaat ook juridische stappen ondernemen tegen die persoon. Ja. U wil niet voor bemiddeling, u staat op het doen van aangifte en u gaat ook juridische stappen tegen de persoon ondernemen en dat u alle bewijzen meeneemt.
And I played Monica's videos and they were shocked. You know, the police is always after human traffickers. And
what date was that? What year?
2022, this year.
Okay, let me just have a look and see if it's already here. Just bear with me.
Yeah, but it's the same human.
Yeah, therefore, that means they're investigating.
So for very obvious reasons, I cannot play like the entire conversation, but we spoke on that day for over 11 minutes. So the lady went into details as to, okay, what has been done so far and what I should expect next, which I'm going to update you guys about once we cross that bridge. So, Atuari Edukwala, you are now official. I don't want to say, I don't think it's okay to say, but you're a criminal. You're a criminal, a human trafficker, a self-confessed, self-proclaimed human trafficker. Look at your life. This Monica Edukwala Ajala. Look at yourself from head to toe. Just imagine your life because of Facebook money. Look at where you ended. You went to the UK from the Netherlands. This is for you to start a fresh, new life. You ran from the system.